everyone, hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are again going snowboarding here in Borovets. Last night had a massive snowfall, absolutely quality. You can tell this guy here especially, the snowfall, that car is covered. Absolute great conditions today, nice clear skies, curled snow and trees, absolutely awesome. So yeah, can't wait today. We're going to go to Titanic, have some breakfast, big full English, set the day off right, and then I think we're going to go ahead to the bar, watch the football and watch all the results come in the Premier League. So yeah, can't wait for today. Let's go and do it. How you feeling, Georgie boy? You're not feeling rough, are you?
No, I'm feeling good. I'm ready for it. Ready for another day.
How you feeling, Craig? Raring to go?
Ready to go, yeah.
Go on, lad.
Excited.
You're going to be on Pilsner today, George.
Oh yeah, I love a Pilsner, baby.
Craig, are you going to be on Pilsner?
Pilsner, baby.
5.9 Pilsner, baby.
5.9.
Here we are, Titanic. Let's get inside and get some breakfast.
Oh yes, breakfast.
Right, we're done in Titanic, had our breakfast. Absolutely brilliant that were. Needed that to set the day off. Look at the weather here, it's absolutely glorious. It's a busy day today. Oh yes, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, come on. So plan is now, gonna go on the gondola and do them red runs. Tunes are blaring out, pumping. It's all happening in here, Borovets.
Oh yes. First time at recording, it'll be interesting.
George, hey lad. How's that?
Right.
So, we've had a great day on the slopes today. We've been on a few red runs and then finished off on the blue run. That takes you right from the top all the way to the bottom, through the forest. Love that one, it's a really good one, that one. So now, we've got changed, we're going out for something to eat. I think we've decided on Sangria restaurant. It's like #1 on TripAdvisor. Gonna check that out, see if we can get in there. If not, maybe Boris Bar. But let's see how we get on. Here we are, Sangria. Looks a bit busy. It's a very small place. Looks like it's Boris Bar. Let's see. Here we go, we've been greeted with some shots. Cheers, boys. Some of that toffee vodka. Simply lovely. The garlic bread's arrived. No messing, straight in. We are absolutely starving. Can't had anything all day, have we, boys? Look at him, go on, lad. There you go, food's arrived. I've got the, forgive me for saying this wrong if I have, the calamari. Oh, lovely. It's got chicken, peppers, mushrooms, tomato. Oh, George is his big burger. Oh, what is it? The big what? Wait, Big Man burger or something?
Full Monty.
Oh, the full Monty. It's on. The song's on in background. Oh. You sexy thing, you. So I've just got back from Bobby's bar. Just had some tea there, some beers, absolutely brilliant class. But we're going to have an early night tonight because we're going to have a big day tomorrow, snowboarding, hopefully with all the lads. Because I'm getting a bit bored snowboarding with Craig and George. Right there, Georgie babes. It's all settled now, isn't it? It was a tough day on the slopes.
I'm settled, I've got my sweets.
He's got his sweets.
Early night, and it's going to be a
big day.
Big day tomorrow, yeah. Early start tomorrow. I want some nice fresh snow.
Yeah?
Some freshly bashed snow.
So you can go a bit faster.
Yeah, hopefully I don't know about that. But I just want a nice clear run.
Yeah.
First one on the slopes tomorrow, me.
Good man. This has been Craig most of the holiday. Checking his work emails.
I'm not actually. Sending some photos to my mum and dad.
He hasn't said anything about it, he's just been staring at his phone. So yeah, till then, we get up and we go again. Thanks for watching, bye!
Not again.
Morning everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Because I'm not having such a good day this morning. I'm absolutely knackered. I've had about 3 hours sleep. Oh no. Some of the lads on corridor. I mean, I sleep there. Corridor's there. There must have been like a meeting or something last night, but it kept going on for ages. Like, go to bed. And we've got bloody Snorlax George in there. Greg just laughs, don't you? You think it's just hilarious, all this?
It's funny, isn't it? You just need to man up a little bit.
So, plan is, we're gonna get on that chairlift, do them reds, get there 8:30. It's now, I don't know, quarter to 8. Gonna have some breakfast which opens at 8 and then get a taxi there because I am not queuing for that gondola because that will take ages. Takes half an hour at gondola just to get to the top anyway. So yeah, there's a few little shortcuts in Borovets we need to achieve. So come on, we can do this. We can do this. The snow's gonna be brilliant as well. I'm only doing this for the channel. I'm only. Otherwise, I'd be in that bed right now. Oh. Cheers, boys.
Cheers, Chard.
Cheers. Yeah.
Now, I don't want to just ram into a mouth here. So
show us how it's done, John.
yeah.
Oh yes.
Oh.
Cheese fondue.
Oh. Look at that.
Dirty.
Turn it to shit. Oh no.
What's that?
It's falling in the cheese.
Cheese, Grammy.
Oh, use the other end.
You've got to use the thin end, yeah?
Is that right here?
Maybe we need to knock them in a bit further first. Yeah.
You shoot it.
It's a leveler.
Oh.
Never, innit?
Oh.
Oh, it's a splitter.
Tap it in a bit
On
more.
Tony, lad.
Just keep going.
Nail gun. First one to knock it in.
Oh, that was a good one, that.
He's got skills.
George Ray, what's he got?
It's all them years of hammering cable yards on Tony. We tried to hit it that time.
Craig. Oh, I just missed that one.
Yeah, I think I need to do it from there.
It's easy with that end.
It's never going to go in, is it?
How many times have you done
I've
that?
not even hit it.
So that's it. We've done our boarding. What a class day it has been as well. We've done plenty of runs, and you know the legs are absolutely burning now. But we had a fantastic day boarding. We also went to BJ's for lunch. We had a cheese fondue, like garlic bread and chips. Oh, the biggest meal you've ever seen, boy. You're absolutely fantastic. And we also played the hammer game as well, which were good. So when we finished the boarding, we went straight to Franco's, watched a bit of football, but I was nodding me in Franco's, so I've ended up coming back early, had a quick snooze. Oh, disappearing here. Had a quick snooze. Yeah, so I'm back out, got changed and meeting everybody else. So this is going to be the start of the night. End the holiday on a high. Have a big night out.
Is this the way to Amarillo? Every night I've been hugging my pillow, running over Amarillo. That sweet Marine who waits for me. I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is. Home's where the heart is.
What a fantastic night, absolute quality, spending the last night with the lads. So yeah, what an overall fantastic trip here in Borovets, Bulgaria. And that's going to be it. So until then, we get up and we go again. Thanks for watching, bye.